What's up, guys? Today we are doing a new kind of video. It's a Lego video. I know most of you haven't requested this, but still, it was my dad's idea and I'm pretty sure it's a good idea. Anyways, I really like Ninjago, so I picked out this set. It's new. So it's like in this new season. It's in 2020. And we've also decided to do Mario sets, but we're gonna start as soon as we get the starter course. These places, pretty hard to find. Anyways, this is the Skull Sorcerer's Dragon set, I'm pretty sure. You can see this white skeleton-like dragon, it's behind me, I don't know where it is. And we have about 6 minifigures, and that's pretty cool. So now let's unbox. Oh wait. I forgot to show you the back. Here's the back, guys. Apparently, I looked at the box and there's like this board game thing. I don't know what it is exactly. Okay, now let's get this tape off. Okay, it's opened. This is heavier than I thought. Okay, let's dump them out. Holy cow. We have like this spinjitzu thing, but it's like a dice. It's like a variant for dice. We have small stickers with a giant manual. That's pretty funny. What's this? Oh my god. What did we just get? This is like a kids go free with a paid adult ticket. Oh my god. Is this even? Oh my god. Yeah, I think this might be just an ad, but so if it's real, I'm like, oh my god. So we have, this is bag number 8, bag number 3, bag number 2 apparently. And this is bag number 5. This one is bag number 6. We have bag number 1. Bag number 7. And bag number 4. Wait, is there even a 1? Yeah, I don't think so. Somehow. Now we are back for the unboxing. What's this? We're gonna find out in the end. Let's see. This is number 1, as you can see. Hold on. This is a 9+ set. I'm gonna need some assistance. Dad! Okay, I'm here to introduce you to minifigures. This is Nia. She's the ninja of water. She has this cool armor and helmet thing. It's basically like a ninja bandana / helmet. This one's a shield. I think it's supposed to represent a dragon. This is her spear. This is a skull sorcerer. We don't know who he or she is, but she has this. He or she has this, oh my god. What is this face? What is this face? That proves it's not a girl, it's a boy, of course. Here's this mask printing. She also has this skull. In the trailer, it gave her a bunch of powers. These are the 2 awakened warriors. They're basically skullkin, but way darker, and their eyes are green and stuff. Yikes. This is Jay. He has this brick built mace over here. He has this shield, and again a side armor and a bandana / helmet. He is the ninja of lightning. This is Kai, or as some people call him, the hothead. He is literally the master of fire. he has a different shield with the others, and like the armor and the shoulder armor on like his bandana and shoulder armor is like gold. It was like only minifigures, but I want to show you the builds. This is like the build with Cole's mom on it. I think this is like one of those blade things in the trailer. I don't exactly know. Whoa. Holy cow. This is like one of those blades. I think there's a black one because I recently got like the Skull Sorcerer's like tower / castle. I don't know. I forgot what it's called. There's a dark version of this blade, I'm pretty sure. We have this thing. I don't know what it exactly is, but there's like this skull with like a green flame on it. There's a bone, as you can see. And there's like these tiles. Oh, I see a gem, and there's like this heart thing. I have no idea what it is. We have made the Skull Dragon. Skull Dragon, did you just eat a skeleton? You had your breakfast. Okay, now back to the review. You can see his mouth over here with a jaw. Apparently the white box things was like the wings. And there's like these little sharp pieces over here, as you can see. And there's like this egg thing in here. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll get to that later. There's these brick built arms, which look pretty cool. They're like, it's like all skeleton or something. There's the other variants. Now on the back, we have these flags. I think it's supposed to represent like the Skull Sorcerer maybe. And then if you press this, the egg comes out. Wonder what's inside. Ew, spiders, tarantulas, and black bones. That's so gross. Yikes. And now, the tail. You can see like there's like some kind of gem thing on these. And it's like kind of rocky and bony at the same time. And these are the back legs, apparently. Hey guys, sorry, I forgot to do this feature. Apparently there's like this gun feature. Look, it shoots. Let me just get that missile. And then let's do the other side. Chewie, that's not food. Okay, we are back. I almost thought my dog was gonna eat it, apparently. So this is all the features, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Also, don't forget, if you're enjoying the videos, subscribe and make the bell gray and like the video so you never miss out on another video. And stay safe, guys. Bye.